Hey viewers, today's topic: benefits of sauna. A sauna is an ancient form of relaxation and detoxification that has been used for centuries. It is a room or a small building designed for people to sit in and enjoy the heat, steam, and humidity. The temperature in a sauna can range from 50 C to 110 C, with the humidity levels reaching up to 100%. People usually sit in the sauna for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, allowing their bodies to sweat out any toxins while they relax. A sauna session can be beneficial for both physical and mental health, providing many benefits such as improved circulation, stress relief, and improved sleep quality. Before we go video, if you are new here, don't forget, join our family. Stress relief. Stress is a common issue for many people, and it can have serious negative impacts on mental and physical health. Spending time in a sauna can help to reduce stress levels by promoting relaxation and reducing tension in the body. The heat generated in a sauna stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural pain-relieving and mood-enhancing chemicals in the body. This can help to improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Additionally, the quiet, peaceful atmosphere of a sauna can provide a calming environment that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Taking a few minutes to sit in a sauna and focus on your breathing can help to clear your mind and reduce stress levels. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular sauna use has been shown to have a positive effect on cardiovascular health. The heat generated in a sauna dilates blood vessels, which can improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure. This can reduce the workload on the heart, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have also shown that regular sauna use can improve overall cardiovascular function and endurance, making it a great addition to any fitness routine. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting a sauna regimen, especially if you have any heart-related medical conditions or take any medications. Detoxification. The heat generated in a sauna can cause the body to sweat, which can help to remove toxins and impurities from the body. The skin is one of the body's largest elimination organs, and sweating can help to release toxins through the pores. Regular sauna use has been shown to help remove heavy metals, such as lead and mercury, from the body. It can also help to remove other toxic substances, such as alcohol, nicotine, and other drugs. It's important to note that saunas should be used in moderation, and it's important to stay hydrated before, during, and after a sauna session. Drinking plenty of water can help to replenish fluids and prevent dehydration, which can also help the body to better eliminate toxins. Pain relief. Sauna is a great way to reduce pain and improve physical and mental health. Its benefits include relaxation, improved circulation, detoxification, and pain relief. The heat of the sauna helps to relax the muscles, reduce inflammation, and increase blood flow to the affected area. This can help reduce pain caused by arthritis, muscle strain, headaches, and other ailments. Additionally, sauna use can help improve mental clarity and focus by reducing stress levels. Furthermore, it can help with weight loss as it increases metabolism while burning calories. With its many health benefits, regular sauna use is a great way to maintain physical and mental well-being. Improved skin. The heat and sweating generated in a sauna can have a positive impact on the skin. The heat can help to open up the pores, which can remove impurities and dead skin cells, leaving the skin looking and feeling smoother and clearer. Regular sauna use can also improve skin hydration by increasing blood flow to the skin, which can deliver essential nutrients and hydration to the skin. This can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture and tone. Better sleep. Sauna has long been known for its therapeutic benefits. It is an effective way to relax and unwind after a long day. But did you know that it can also help improve your sleep? Studies have shown that regular sauna use can help reduce insomnia and improve overall sleep quality. This is because the heat of the sauna helps to relax both body and mind, allowing your body to drift off into a deep sleep more easily. Additionally, the increased circulation caused by the heat helps to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to better overall health. So if you're looking for an easy way to get better sleep, try taking a sauna.